Mr. Jams?
I have a question for Winky D. My name is Chris, and I'm from Jams Multimedia. Zikangi Rose is a gospel song. Did you compose it or you just featured? And if you composed it, then do you believe in Christianity?
I believe in giving people good music. And saying Zikangi Rose is gospel, let's not limit it to Zikangi Rose yet. Even Finu Finu is gospel. Are we together?
Yes.
No, I'm with that.
Okay, my second question is, apart from music, what else do you do to earn extra cash?
Winky D is a musician. Ask him about those Wallace. Move on the Wallace got a Winky D.
Both.
You can't ask both. Winky D is a musician. And I earn through music as Winky D. As Wallace, he earns through other things. But we'll leave that to Wallace.